And we're underway with 6 of WWE's top superstars going at it.
Guys, it'll be interesting to see if these two teams of 3 can really coexist. When you have that many egos on the same team, sometimes things don't go quite as planned.
That'll change his posture in a hurry. And there's the cutter, slamming the face to the mat. He's on the defensive here. I think it's safe to say that the action so far in this 6-man tag team match is exactly what we expected.
When you put that much meat in the ring, somebody's going to get hurt. And unfortunately for him, he's the one on the receiving end of this inevitable beatdown.
I think a lot of people right now are scratching their heads wondering how he let this match get so out of hand.
Wisely bringing the action back into the ring. Needs to make it to the corner here, Corey.
Oh, you're absolutely right, Cole. There's no way around it. A tag is vital at this point in the match.
These two work so well together. Looks like he's starting to sweat now. And you know, all 3 of the superstars he's up against won't back down at any point during this match.
Nothing to worry about here, Cole. First of all, he's not in awful shape. And secondly, he has 2 perfectly good partners to tag in if needed.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand.
Got him good with a neck breaker. Gets him with a knee there. Take cover. You could call this a good old-fashioned butt whooping. He's starting to feel it here. I think it's safe to say that the action so far in this 6-man tag team match is exactly what we expected.
He seemed more motivated than ever heading into this match, which makes me think he still has plenty of fight left in him.
He might have it. That's it. It's over. It's over.
He's really looking to prove a point here.
Turns it around. Now there's the counter. Oh, what impact. This could be it. No, he lets him out.
Yeah, I think he knew he wasn't going to get the submission there.
him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
He's too quick for him there. Coyote's starting to weaken some. And you know, all three of the superstars he's up against won't back down at any point during this match.
His ego's clearly taking a hit here, but that's okay. His gigantic ego can afford to take a few bruises.
Ow! That hurt! Somehow has to find a way to make a tag here.
Completely agree. Getting the partner in here is absolutely vital.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Just an unforgiving slam. And it's an overhand punch. Gets the tag. Oh my, what a double team move.
He is a one-man gang in there.
Townsend not looking so good here. I think it's safe to say that the action so far in this six-man tag team match is exactly what we expected.
And I can tell you exactly what his partners are thinking right now. Why in the world did we agree to team with this guy?
I know it's somewhat early still, but this could be a pivotal point in this match, guys. Let's see how he reacts here.
His signature slam.
But did he go for it too early? Yeah,
looking for the quick pin. Oh, and he reverses it. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. If he suffers much more, he may lose all mobility in that shoulder. Too quick for him there. He hits the clothesline. Uh-oh, he's in trouble here. What a clothesline! Ouch!
Here's his chance.
Nicely done, but sometimes stealing an opponent's move can come back to haunt you.
And he lands a nice counter. When this guy's on, look out.